Hey there, it's Leanne from Proud Pup Media. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. It's just going to be a very quick one. I want to show you one of the best ways I know to save time when I'm responding or writing emails when I have customers who, come in and they ask the same question. So in this case, it is right here. So I get inquiries about projects. So I want to make sure that I respond in a professional way, that I've got everything I need in there, and I don't have to keep repeating the emails that I write. So I've written this one, and if I wanted to use it, I come down to the three dots here. And if you don't see template, because that's what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a template, then you'll need to actually come up to your settings here and enable that. Come to the advanced here, and then you'll see templates, enable that, make sure you save. Okay, so I'll come back to the draft folder, and you can see I've created that. So I'll come down to here. I want to create the template first so that I can save it for later. So I've already created it. It's called Project Inquiries. Keep in mind that if you use your template and you change anything on it, it's not going to save your changes to your template. You have to create a new template. Okay. All right. So this is how to use it. So I come over here to the new, here, I'll just close that one, to the new email. I'm going to go to templates, project inquiries. There we go. And then do the rest I need to do and send it off. Now, if I want to use that template to respond, let's just get rid of that one. This might not be a great example because I doubt very much that Bustle will be contacting me for a project, but anyway, so reply, come down to the three dots here. Oh, template, sorry, there it is. Project inquiries, there we go. Okay. So again, keep in mind that if you change anything here, it's not going to change your existing template. So you'll just need to create a new one. So if I edit it slightly, I could come back here, templates, save draft as a template, and then save as a new template. I'll give it a name, project inquiry spell, save it there. Okay, then if I come back here to check, you can see they're both there now. That's it for today. I hope that helped you, and good luck slaying that inbox to save you time, increase your productivity, and hopefully you spend more time doing other things that you love. Take care. Bye for now.